Life is full of opportunities, but often we're held back by habits, fears, or simply not knowing where to focus our energy. In this video, I'm going to share 5 powerful secrets that have the potential to change your life in profound ways. These aren't just tips, they're strategies that, when applied, can bring real, lasting change. Stay with me till the end, because these secrets might just be the key to unlocking a new chapter in your life. 1. The power of habit. Your daily habits shape your future more than you realize. By consciously creating positive habits, you can set the course of your life in a new, rewarding direction. Start small, whether it's a morning routine or a daily walk, and let these habits build momentum. Remember, consistency is the key to lasting change. 2. Mindset shift. The way you think determines how you experience life. Adopting a growth mindset, where challenges are seen as opportunities, can revolutionize your approach to every aspect of life. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success, and you'll find that obstacles become easier to overcome. Your mindset is your most powerful tool. 3. Embrace the unknown. Comfort zones are where dreams go to die. Stepping into the unknown, though scary, is where real growth happens. Whether it's trying something new, taking a risk, or facing a fear, embracing uncertainty will open doors to experiences and opportunities you never imagined. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. 4. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a simple yet incredibly powerful tool. By focusing on what you have rather than what you lack, you shift your energy towards positivity. Start each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for, and watch how your outlook on life transforms. Gratitude attracts more of what you appreciate into your life. 5. Invest in relationships. Your relationships are your greatest asset. Whether it's with family, friends, or colleagues, nurturing these connections can lead to a more fulfilling and supportive life. Make time to connect, listen, and be present with those who matter most. Strong relationships are the foundation of happiness and success. These 5 secrets have the power to change your life if you commit to them. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your life begins to transform in ways you never thought possible. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and share it with someone who could benefit from these tips. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. See you in the next one.